Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys could tell, but I've been gone for a while. I'm pretty irrelevant, so. And I also got a new camera! Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I've been gone because, school, and I'm currently on summer break. If you guys don't know, the word fail does not fit into the Asian English vocabulary, so yeah. And today I thought, what better way to start this video doing a makeup tutorial? Because what makeup? Who uses that, right? Anyways, I have no idea what kind of makeup look I'm going for. I'm just gonna go with the flow and see where my intellect or my stupidity takes me. Okay, let's. Just a disclaimer, there's gonna be like a creaking sound in the background because I just got a new camera and it's sounding like so yeah, just bear with me. I'm gonna change it next time. Don't get mad, okay? I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna start off with Max Painterly Paint Pot. Is this how you do it? Wait. See, clearly a beauty guru. Okay, Painterly. By the way, I have no mirror right now and I'm just using the viewfinder as my mirrors. And I also didn't wash my hands, so I wonder why I have acne. I think I'll just go with Modern Renaissance because, yeah, everyone seems to have this palette. But this is what it looks like, my palette of colors. So if you don't know, right here is kind of like the orangey brown colors. Here, like, period stain colors. I think I'm aiming for the more natural look. So let's go for this bright orange color. If you guys aren't familiar with like makeup and eyeshadow and that type of thing, you kind of have to start with like a transition color, which is like in between dark and light. You kind of have that gray area and then put that in the crease, I guess. Right? This is called the crease. I have so many creases on my face, I don't even know. I just realized we don't have any music. Okay, let's see. See, I normally would ask people for music suggestions, but literally no one's my friend, so I'm just gonna rely on my Spotify playlist. Why is 50 Shades Freed in my playlist? It doesn't make sense. Now I'm just putting like a brownish color into here to, bring some depth and darkness and like depression, like a sprinkle of anxiety, a little bit of tuberculosis. I think we need to, put some more sparkle into the look. It's looking kind of bland. Yeah.
Yeah, ooh, girl. Come through.
Okay, I'm going to need you guys to pray for me because it's time for eyeliner. And every time I do eyeliner,
I feel like I'm gonna die, So.
Oh, shit. I love it when I see those girls at school and their eyeliner is literally thicker than most guys. Oh gosh, this is so hard. Guys, help me. Actually, you know what? Fuck guys.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes. If you don't put color on the lash line, it's kind of like having a period without tampons. It just can't happen. I just realized my voice sounds really annoying. Okay, sorry, I'll talk normally. You guys are wondering, I don't put mascara like underneath my lashes because it's kind of like herpes on the eye. Don't ask why it's on top of a jar of honey. I forgot to mention this is G-rated, so if you're like 12 and you're watching this, first of all, you're just wasting your time. Okay, eyelash grip right here. I wish I got the black one because honestly, the white eyelash glue makes it look like you just got jizz on your face. And wait till it dries and we're just gonna have a little dance party. I swear, like, Asian jeans is A, no tits, B, no ass, and C, short ass eyelashes. I'm using Anastasia dipshit. You know, we're trying to go for like, I got a fucking Sharpie and just like drew it on because we're that kind of bitch, you know? We need to let those hoes know that we are present. Like, even though we're not even 5 feet tall, like, at least our eyebrows are there, you know? The other day, my mom and I had a really great discussion on veganism.
I was saying, like, what would you do in these extreme cases? Like, would you boil up a rat if your children are starving? Like, no, like, even though I hate rats, I don't want to eat a rat. Why would I feed that to my children? That's some, like, you know, dairy and chicken and all that kind of jazz. I don't know if you guys know, but they're, like, attached to these incubators where they, like, suck their milk out like vacuums. Like, just imagine that happening to yourself. Like, you got your tit, you got a vacuum that, like, and then it's like some other alien started drinking that. Like, how weird and upsetting would that be? Like, no, you wouldn't want that to happen to you, right?
Look, that looks so bad.
Kind of panicking.
Those are such a disappointment. With these cockroach-looking brows. Tell me down below what your guys' summer plans are. Just curious. Oh my god, the other day, I went to this Chinese, like, hot pot place. And my dad, this weird, you know, meat eater, ordered a plate of fallopian tubes.
Fallopian tubes.
I mean, I totally respect the whole, you know, use every single part of the animal and, like, don't waste anything, but might as well eat vagina, penis, like, no. Ooh, maybe I'll put on a lip color. What color should I put on? Sore. It's soaring. Yeah. Okay. And we're done.